Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, our topic is all about how to set up auto reply text on iPhone. So first, click the settings. While we are in the settings tab, scroll down until you find the focus tab and tap it. While we are in the focus tab, click the add button, which is located at the top right of your iPhone screen. Now click driving. After tapping driving, tap next. As you can see, we are among the allowed people for notification. Just click allow none if you really don't want to disturb. After clicking allow none, you are in the next step, which is you just have to click skip instead of turn driving on automatically. After that, click done. Now that we are in the driving tab, click auto reply. It's up to you which one you want to auto reply to, or if none, just click all contacts. After that, type your auto reply response in the auto reply message. Now let's go back to the driving tab and click the while driving option. While you are inside of it, click manually. After that, let's go back to the driving tab and enable driving so that no one will disturb you. And that's it. That's how to set up auto reply text on iPhone. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.